Can you jerk one more time? We want to see you jerk.
I already did it already.
Huh?
I already did it already.
Please.
Car, right?
Do it for Betsy.
Not bad. I'm your showing. 15.
That's a girl.
Oh, that hurts.
There's no problem with that.
Hey, I ball.
Can you do a backflip?
No, I can't.
You can't?
Can you try?
Nah.
You want me to show you?
Yes.
I'll show her. Do you want me to show her?
Alright, yeah, I'll hold it. Go.
There you go. Get in. Get in.
Wait, no, not yet.
You have to try first, and then I'll show
What
you.
is his name is? That's Aaron. Oh wait. The boy talking about? I think I'm going home. I think I'm home.
What?
I want to do it.
I have a YouTube channel.
I do too.
Alright.
She's going in. She's be the star.
Hey, Elizabeth!
Dance. You have to dance.
Joshua, try this with her.
Can you cat daddy?
No.
Take a wheelchair.
Wait, Tyson! Hey, Tyson! Hey, buddy! No.
Joshua, come over here, Joshua.
You. Use a big dog.
Tyson, stop it. Stop it.
What? That was Steven. That was Steven.
Not me.
It wasn't?
It is.
Hey,
Oh,
give Michael a lap dance.
Ew.
Yeah, Michael, sit right there.
Come on.
Hey, you got little kids here.
No.
Do it, Ellen.
Are you gonna dance?
You have to
I
dance.
think of my birthday party. You're invited.
I'll go.
Dance.
Dance. You have to dance first.
That's going well.
Ladies first.
Joshua, come over here.
Are you sure she's a lady?
Ladies first. I think.
You screwed up, Betsy.
Hey, I'm asking. Do you see what she's wearing? She don't look like a lady.
No, I took a picture. Don't. It's an iPhone.
Oh, we're not taking a picture yet. That's an iPod.
Pause, Buggy. Silver. Pause, Silver.
See, this is gonna break. Stop it.
You don't.